Welcome to part 2 of the Bowman Mega Box break. I opened the first 5 boxes already and you probably saw that video. If you didn't, then I would suggest that you go watch it if you feel like it. And I'm not going to tell you everything, but I will tell you that I did not pull an autograph out of those first 5 boxes. So I'm really hoping that that happens here. And I did read the odds. I'm not guaranteed an autograph out of 10 boxes. So, fingers crossed. I'm not going to talk these to death. You already know what it is. Let's get into it. I've been doing lots of breaks, making lots of videos for you guys, so my voice is starting to fade away because I've been running my yap. But hopefully, I can get just through 5 boxes. I have learned the hard way that there doesn't appear to be anything other than base cards in the 4 packs that come in each box, the 4 regular packs. That's kind of stinky, but it is what it is. Topps is gonna want to get rid of their cards somehow, so they're gonna throw them in here. There's Floreal, Aidman, Chrome, but it really would be nice if they had put hobby packs in here. Alright. Allard, Lugo, Chrome Jeter Downs. There's Tatis Jr., De La Cruz Chrome, Alonso. Nola, Chrome, Gavin Lux, Chrome, Helio Ramos. I forgot that. There's Juan Soto, Chrome Daz Cameron, Hunter Green Chrome, Hunter Green Paper. Alright. Fancy schmancies. Has Alvarez, Brian Hayes, just a Sheffield Rookie of the Year, Royce Lewis, not bad, and Hunter Green. I've been following Royce Lewis for a while. It seems like he's been a rookie for 5 years. Alright, Kalinick, Helio Ramos, a purple Roberto Ramos to 250. Sean Murphy and Dustin May. And that, my friends, is box 1. I think I have high hopes for this stuff because I have just been on Instagram too much looking at people's sweet autographs that they've pulled out of these boxes. There have been some incredible pulls. Maybe though I'm looking at people that are like opening, busting cases of this stuff to get these crazy good autographs. Better than what I could expect from just 10 boxes. But you just never know. That's why you open them. Gotta have a little bit of luck. Alright, Bowers, Burns, Wander Franco, Chrome, Nova Chrome, there's my Tuki Toussaint, Anthony K Chrome, Blaze Alexander Chrome, last regular pack. Then I'll show you the goodies. Chrome Melendez, Chrome Vlad, Peter Alonso, and exclusive phone cards. Alright. Logan Webb, Tristan McKenzie, Cole Stewart, Luciano Amaya. Diaz, Chavis, Jeremiah Jackson did get an autograph. There it is. I don't know much about Jeremiah Jackson, I must admit. Angels shortstop. But cool. Like I said, I wasn't guaranteed one, so that is nice. I love that it's on card. Cool. Then we have Julio Rodriguez and Forrest Whitley. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'm glad I got an autograph. Very happy. Alright, we still got 3 more to go though. Can't stop yet. Alright, let's open up these regular packs. We're just going to breeze through these. I'm quickly losing my voice, so we're just going to do a really quick and check to make sure there's nothing in here that we're missing, which I don't think there is, because I haven't seen anything other than base cards. Royce Lewis. Griffin Canning Chrome, Seth Beer, yep, that's it. All base cards and a couple of chromes. Alright, exclusive chromes. Garcia, Taylor Trammell, Chance Adams, Ryan Weathers, and Blake Rutherford. Brendan Rodgers, Ornelas, I guess. Mitch Keller, ready for the show. Ooh, good. Another Vlad Jr. Very nice. And Santana. So that makes 3 Vlad Juniors, which I'll take all day. No Tatis Juniors, though. Big sweet, they'll get one of those before this is over. Which is quickly about to be, because we're down to the last 2 boxes. I'll go back and look through these regular cards later. But again, doesn't seem to be any inserts or parallels in here at all, so I don't think we're missing anything. With that said, of course, I do always preach about respecting the base cards, and it seems like I'm not doing that, but my throat's starting to hurt, so we're going to have to just move on. Yeah, I opened a full case for you guys of some football stuff, which you'll see. But that's what made me lose my voice. I'm not used to. I work quietly during the day, and so I don't talk a ton during the day. So whenever I talk even a little bit, I start to lose my voice after a while. And that case break took quite a while. Of course, I loved every minute of it, but still. All right, Jimenez, nice. Fado, nice. Kyle Wright, Swaggerty, and Brent Honeywell. Mesa, Burke, a purple Keegan Thompson to 250. Mackenzie Gore and Kirilloff. This is a good pack. Alright. Last box. Is there any magic in this box? Oh, I got the autograph I wanted, so I can't complain. Although I'd be a liar if I said I wasn't hoping for a stud autograph. A Tatis, a Vlad Jr., something. Alright. Let's see these really fast. Okay. Oh, there's Robert Chrome. Alvarez, Honeywell Chrome. Collins and Cease. Madrigal, Chrome, and Fabian. Alright. Here we go. Alright, Duplantier, Victor Mesa Jr., Urias Rookie of the Year, Sixto Sanchez, and Christian Posh. Not too bad. Last back. AJ Puck, Brewer Hicklin. I did get a second autograph, and this one I think is a little bit better. Bobby Dalbec. Not a parallel, but still 2 autographs, not bad. Seth Beer, very nice, and Spanberger. So, out of 10 boxes, 2 autographs. The odds were against me. Wasn't even supposed to get 1, ended up with 2. So, I am not going to complain. And I also have a lot of good rookie, these fancy chrome cards. A lot of the good rookies. The first pack I opened of these was just lights out. Wish I had gotten a Tatis, but you can't have everything. Overall, not bad. I wish they had put some stuff in the regular packs, but what you gonna do? Overall, this was a lot of fun. I'm glad I got these. I thank you so much for being here and watching me open them. Cracking cards with me. I hope you're all having a great day. Everybody take care. I love you guys very much, and I'll be back with some more goodies for you soon, and hopefully my voice will come back. Bye.